Welcome to 5910 Whisper Ridge Lane. This charming hilltop property is excited to welcome its next occupants. This sought-after ranch-style home has a great open floor plan with a beautiful kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and large island. The main living area is spacious and bright with easy access to the covered back porch and a fenced-in backyard. Enjoy a spacious primary bedroom and large walk-in closet you're going to love. You'll love entertaining guests in your comfy living room. The kitchen offers ample cabinet storage and pantry, plenty of counter space, and makes serving large parties a breeze with the island opening to the great room. You'll enjoy the beauty of nature as you dine. The sliding glass door opens to a large covered patio perfect for entertaining or enjoying the sunset. The spacious master suite will make it hard to leave. Its walk-in close and ensuite make it your sanctuary.